Today I am making brown butter banana bread. This is the best banana bread. Come make it with me. Okay, you're gonna start by browning your butter. So you're gonna put a third cup of butter in a pan, melt it, and then just swirl it around. You can either tip the pan back and forth or stir it for about 5 minutes till it's a beautiful golden brown. Then take that same skillet and toast your pecans. You're gonna add them in over medium heat, let them sit for about 10 seconds, then stir continuously for 5 minutes till they're toasted. Add them in, and then add 3 overripe bananas. Use a fork to mash it up. Mash it really good so you don't have big chunks of banana in your bread. Once it's mashed really well, you're going to start adding your other ingredients. You've got 1 egg that you're going to whisk with a fork and then dump right into that bowl. You're going to add a pinch of salt. It's kosher salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of sugar, more if you want sweeter bread, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir it all together. Do not overmix. You'll have tough, chewy bread if you do. Spray a 9x4x4 baking loaf pan, fill it with your batter, and then pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour. Check it with a toothpick inserted in the center. If it comes out clean, your bread is done. Let it cool completely before you slice in, and then enjoy. This bread is seriously so good. It has the perfect crumb, the perfect rich, nutty flavor. That banana is not overpowering, but it's so delicious. Trust me, you're going to want to make this over and over again. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Okay, here's what I love. The outside, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like a little bit crispy. And then the inside is like so tender and soft. The butter is amazing. The brown butter makes it so rich and flavorful. It just really accentuates that nuttiness from the pecans and it brings out that banana flavor. It's so good.